Hi, let's move on to the day 12 video. Please take a moment and read the disclaimers, and please read it most common mistakes as well as a daily practice. And you guys may know that we have some setup, and we are following those set of rules in this series, and these are the rules which we are following, and whether with these are all within the limit or not we are checking, and with these are all within limit, and this is not the limit because it is not 15,000 over the 15,000, and that is the reason I am just looking for the um, time to perfect time to reduce this change adjustment, but it is taking time only. This is the third day I'm taking little more risk than the allowed risk. So most probably tomorrow I hope I will get some chance to adjust this position. And these are the rules which we are following. And 30% capital loss means this series is considered to be end. And realized profits is 16,428, and unrealized it will be 9 minus 14,409.98. It looks like it's like nearer to each other, but thing is like we are just in the first 10 days, and rest of the 2 weeks only the time decay is going to be more, and soon this unrealized loss will be reduced, and we will get some good profit. And here you can see the maximum profit is 11,747 is expected, and maximum loss is this. Mostly we will try to get more than 10k in this series, in this month, November month. Let's see, with the capital of 1 lakh, that is enough for me because we are not putting much effort to do this, and 10% per month also it's very big amount. I hope you guys understand that. And the main aim of this series is to minimize the risk and try to get minimum or maximum profit as much we can, but risk management need to be very proper. So that's a motto of this. And we today also I adjusted few positions. Because of that I got around 4,047 rupees, and again I recreated the position at 21.85, but I am waiting for the right chance to adjust it. Today also I got the chance, but I didn't move that. This 24,100 I got around 8,000 or 9,000 rupees profit. I may book this profit and I minimize the loss, but I didn't do. I thought one more day to wait, so I'm waiting for that. Tomorrow let's hope I will get chance, a good chance uh, to adjust that. And that's about the thing. And you can see this gold piece also we have. This is nothing but we bought with the we bought this gold piece with the profit which we booked earlier, and we yet to only these two we bought. We yet to buy with this amount around 5,300 rupees is there. We may buy gold piece or some other thing. I will buy, I will let you know. As of now, gold piece we have bought, and this is around 10,800 900, and even there will be 20% haircut will be there in my broker, so we are getting around 80% of this value, around 8,000 rupees something, and we are getting as a pledged amount. I pledged that so that I can make use of that amount also in the trading. And it's we are we invested in gold. So in case the nifties keep on falling or something, also gold won't do. So that's the thing. As part of risk management I have bought that. And other another, as I said, another 5.3 k will be there, and we may buy something else like liquid bees or any other indices or anything. We will wait tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I will buy those also, and I will let you know, and how it is going to perform we will see. And currently gold, it's giving negative return around minus 239, It's okay, but we just started it, so we need to we need to be very patient. And this is about the Greeks. You can see, and VIX. It's about VIX. You can see it's everything. It's going down. It's keep on going down. Earlier it raised too much, and now it's going down. And Greeks theta will be plus positive 144, and Vega will be minus 476, and gamma it's a rising, and we will see in next weeks and next week what will happen. And what is the Nifty currently, where it is standing is like you can see this. And as I said earlier, I'm just waiting for it to go up little more. It's around 24,700 or 600. So until that I'm waiting for that because of that only I'm still taking little risk and waiting for my time to adjust the position. Let's see what will happen in the next day, tomorrow. And tomorrow we will see what is the going to be the new tomorrow's update.